Hello everyone, welcome to the place as Seychelles Speaks Messages Gypsy Witch Tarot, sending you love all the way from India. Follow me if you desire on my Insta account, SASHELLS Seychelles running, sorry. Every information is there in the description box below regarding email. You may, if you want to purchase private reading or something, you have to email me first. This is going to be your heart reading for heart matters, soulmates, connections, karmic connections here. Twin flames. So the message is, there is rabbit in my tea. Rabbit in my tea. So there's going to be, for some cases, for someone out there listening to me, maybe just 1 or 2%, there's going to be a morning message coming for you from that rabbit. There's a playful energy I see for you, and it's also the rabbit is coming out of hole. Like they've been lost, they've been gone for some time, or they've been busy in their life. You or the other energy. So there's a rabbit in my tea. Because the tea was brown in color, because it was mixed with milk and the tea, it gave a brown color. So your rabbit was brown in color. So maybe we are talking about certain kind of features here of like brown hair or anything, if it pertains with you. Brown eyes, okay, brown skin, something is there, something is luscious. Possibly we're talking about luscious hair. Anyways, you have on the cut side Queen of Cups. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces might be listening or dealing or cross-watcher, because these are for all the signs. But channeling the reading and channeling the message, I feel like someone is assuring themselves first. I don't know for what. But there's also 8 of Wands energy, which to me is saying someone gonna message you. There's certain communication suddenly coming. I feel they're done with something. Someone over there. Who's that? There's a playfulness definitely. Okay. How you want to take a rabbit? Rabbit is a very light energy and they need protection. So you cannot leave them. So I feel like someone does want to be under your protection or under your zone or under your warmth. They want to have a playful energy with you, I feel. Someone may be coming for the second chance here with the Judgment, or a callback is coming here with the positive thinking, obviously. With the 7 of Cups, they are seeking out. They are seeking you out here, or they're trying to contact you via any source here, however it goes, and they are messed up. They're messed up because they want to talk to you. They want to talk to you. 5 of Pentacles. Gone days, they want it back. Gone days, I want it back. I want to back it. I want you back. I want to be back with you. I'm back with you. Okay, so you have Ace of Wands energy. That's my karma card in one go. But with the Ace of Wands energy, someone does want something here. Okay, I feel maybe some of you are thinking, I said, what are you going to say with the Ace of Wands this time? Okay, honey, I know that, but okay, they want this. You have the Devil, Capricorn, but in the Ace of Wands energy, there's a bounce back. There is someone who's approaching you. I feel they can't resist it, whatever it is. Now, for some cases, this is something with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Some cases, or a Capricorn. But I also feel this is something that is yet not done, not complete. You have to complete this, whatever it is, with the person. Someone is looking at you like this. It's a physical attraction. It is attraction. So you may take it as bounce back because they can't stay away from you. Okay, some of them are they physical attraction, guys. Okay, physical attraction. Okay, this rabbit, oh, I just remembered, I in my college time someone told me, my batchmate told me. I was not even aware about that during that time. Now I know that at least the symbol is like that. I think rabbit is a something like a playboy or something, they told me as per my information. Okay, so and I never read that even after that. So my friend said they were wearing a stud in the ear and there was a rabbit. So I said, this is a playboy sign. I said, oh really? So I said, you are? Said, yeah, no, I mean, yeah, it's a mysterious answer. Okay, but of course they were wearing that, so they might want to play cool, might not be that, maybe that, who knows and who cares. But they were, you know, my batchmates all were like very caring and all that, mostly. But however, this is kind of energy which may be coming with a rabbit, a playboy. Like, would you put that word in, like F-boy, F-girl kind of energy? I don't want to use that word, but I've read it, so I know it. Obviously, everyone is aware about that. People who are just interested in being physical. So if this is something new approach or someone is interested in you, I feel like maybe I'm picking the current vibe also. If this is not about a bounce back or past energy, this is something connected with someone is offering you something because they're interested in your physique, your eyes, your cheek, your dimple, you. But what's beyond that? Something is not quite healthy here. I cannot see that. Now, for some cases, this may be a bounce back or a resurgence because of the Six of Cups energy. Okay, so maybe. Now that gives you a different storyline because you already know that person, because you dealt already with that person. You know how it was, how this person was. So if this is kind of like FB or FG kind of energy, then you need to do this checkout. Page of Swords, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius energy with a Temperance. Just keep your mind and heart in balance, honey. Or maybe a Sagittarius. Apart from the signs I'm giving you, I'm picking the general vibe, so listen to that. It's about, you may receive the message. I talked about that. If this is not the case, it's about the checkout. Checkout means you need not to be very polite. You need not to be rude even. You need to be neutral. Okay? Balance the situation out. You know how to handle. So it's kind of energy that you're going to handle someone here quite well. Like the devil is trying to tell you, I told you, it's going to be back. But rabbit and the tea offer, this may be new. You know, someone does want a handshake with you, someone does want to be close to you, someone does want to be, you know, they are in love with you. Maybe love at first sight. Okay, no assurance here. You know, it's just the energy of like when they are interested in you, like, you know, but this is not love. This is not love. I don't see in this energy. It's just like, I want to give that cup to you because I want to talk to you. They may break your heart, and you should not allow that because your intuition is telling you something. However, that someone is about to make a move. They are going to take their tea, they are going to sip it, and they are going to make a move. 0909 possible now, maybe the connection coming in your zone. Okay, Cancerian might be. With the 8 of Cups energy, maybe the one who walked away, or the one you walked away from. Said rabbit, 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 and you have. Someone is ready now. They are over from some drama, their own crap, their own shit, their own responsibilities, whatever this was the collection in their life. Excuses. Someone over here is ready. 4 of Swords energy. Okay. or possible someone who never took responsibility and they did cut off. You are the person, or someone is now ready because now they're feeling little light. Now they're feeling little light, so possible now I'm ready now, or you know, the bounce back is such kind of energy. This kind of message may go for anyone here, for the new or for the old energies, however it resonates with you. And if it doesn't, never force yourself to fix in these situations. I would say just enjoy, take a little bit of guidance, chill, okay? But this is a rabbit. I feel like someone who does want to control the sugar in your tea. Someone who does want to control the sugar, and now they want you to wake up, wake up, wake up, I'm here, wake up. And you're like, maybe you chose someone, maybe you don't want to choose someone because you have this position of the Empress, but I feel that someone is coming around the corner. Okay, I feel like you'll have a same moment with someone. Now this may be someone who does want a reunion, not for everyone, remember that. Wow, 8 of Wands energy, it's very dramatic reading. Okay, you may see my smile, you may see my you know, that kind of energy, but it's good to have a little bit of fun while we are reading. And it's not this is going to happen and this is going to happen, because I'm not a machine. Okay, now this is, you're going to break here, and then you're going to get into a relationship, and then they're going to, you know, go. No, I'm not going to read that way. 8 of Wands energy, there is a communication flow here. Okay, and I feel like someone is giving you, or you are giving someone way importance here. I also feel that maybe this person is the rabbit who does want to color themselves in your life or join your circle, which means that they are not the way they used to be. They have changed a little bit, upgraded version possible, because I feel like they are sending the communication, or they want to make this effort, because there is rabbit in the tree. No, sorry, not the tree. Rabbit in the T-E-A. What's this? It's my hair that's coiling around my deck. We're going to take just one discard, enemy. And you have a wedding card as well. Someone who was against the your wedding or your connection, or someone who influenced the other energy. There may be a 3 of Swords energy, or maybe someone who is jealous or was jealous of you or your situation or your marriage or connection. Something was here. Okay. Someone who did wrong, not exactly enemy, but turned out to be someone thought like, oh God, you betrayed me, now you're my enemy, does want consolation here. Someone is expecting this from you, possible. Sorry for the doing as well. There's a wedding in future. Or just a connection in future for some of you. There's going to be present, there's going to be letter, house, message from someone, possible, scholar, feel like someone does want to make or take step here in a very authentic way in the coming time. They don't want to repeat the old something that turned out like situation, relationship, or whatever turned out to be very, very jealous, okay, because of someone, or it kind of like was like this. Someone is sorry for the doing, and now they thought upgraded version. Okay, someone may send you the letter. Maybe this time they are so sure, or someone over here is very sure there's a letter someone is receiving in real time letter, or someone is receiving or gonna receive, because these are timeless reading, depends, letter, message, text, whatever it is. Okay, someone is having upgraded version, I'm telling you. Now this may be yours or theirs. King of Pentacles, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy. They don't want to play this anymore. Maybe out of jealousy someone did spy on someone and they took a step back, or someone did something here, they took a step back, wedding cancellation or something delayed, thought a lot, and now they are ready. I don't know for what. 8 of Wands is again, look, 8 of Wands slipped. 8 of Wands is coming in your life. Communication, thorough communication, movement, someone does want it. King of Wands, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius possible. Choice maybe. This rabbit caused you 9 of Swords, I feel. Kind of energy when sleepless nights, anxiety, thought a lot, or possible this rabbit is in 9 of Swords. Someone who is not sleeping well, not fine, keeping a lot of strength here, thinking about you. I feel like someone does want to reunite here. Okay, 9 of Wands energy with the 3 of Cups. They are thinking about you, or there's just something that they want back. Looking forward to meet you. 6 of Swords, to make a move here, to talk to you. With the 9 of Wands energy, they know that your guards are up, because this reunion won't be easy here. It's like kindred spirits though, but 9 of Wands, someone's guards are up here with the, you know, I'm ready, like, so they know what they did kind of energy. Who did? You or they. Okay, what is that this rabbit wants? Okay, what is that this rabbit wants? They want Temperance. This may be a Sagittarius, but what they want it to be balanced out, something, whatever is in doubt situations, guards are up. They want you to be a little low, calm down, so that they can talk to you. And I feel with the Temperance, it's also, they want to unite with you. They want this blessing and warmth. And this is also the energy of, again, water. I was about to say Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces, but I wanted to say Aries. I don't know why. But here, fire sign is also here. Though. Okay. Just give me a second. Okay. I'm going to use my own deck here for assurance, something that they want to say. They're watching you, someone is watching you, kind of like, yeah, they know it's very difficult to unlock something here, but they want this key, but they don't have the right key possible. Maybe they are blocked, maybe something changed. This was the love story between you both. Clouds came, misunderstandings, and it's so blurred now. Okay, Earth, there may be a Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn energy, but this is something that is becoming very difficult. It's challenging, I feel. Zigzag. Things are in zigzag right now. What is about this rabbit? What's about this rabbit? Tell me about this rabbit. Tell me about this rabbit. And tell me about this. Look, this rabbit is all about crows. So maybe they're doing crow, crow, or maybe they're going to be the messenger here. Okay? They want to talk crows. Page, they want to talk page of what they want to say to you, something. I hope it's going to help you guys. So rabbit in my tea, I'm going to tell you truth, I'm going to tell you truth. Bye.